we come together to celebrate sportsmanship, perseverance, and teamwork on this grand occasion of our much-awaited annual Sports Day 2024 to 25. I am Lalita Sahasrahasini, and alongside me is Satvika, and we are delighted to be your host for today's spectacular event.
Mesmerizing performances and inspiring moments. So let's begin this journey with a warm welcome to our esteemed dignitaries. To express our heartfelt appreciation, we would now like to extend a traditional token of respect by presenting them with bouquets and we kindly request Matrushri Little Angel to come forward and present a bouquet to our esteemed chief guest. With a bouquet and a badge as a token of her admiration and respect.
Cannot bouquet.
Event a grand success. Once again, a big round of applause for our esteemed guests. Of energy, enthusiasm, and excellence. It is not just sportsmanship, but also the joy of movement, rhythm, and expression. And what better way to begin this wonderful event than with a mesmerizing welcome dance? Dance is a hidden language of the soul, and through this performance, our talented students will set the stage on fire with their grace and energy. So, dear audience, get ready to witness a spectacular performance that will fill your hearts with joy and set the perfect tone for the day. Let's put our hands together for our amazing dancers.
जीत हो कि हार हाँ बार बार हाँ बोलो यार हाँ अपनी जीत हो कि हार हाँ कोई हमसे जीत न पावे चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे चले चलो खाली घोर अंधेरा छावे चले चलो कोई राह में ना थम जावे चले चलो टूट गई जब उंगली मुट्ठी पांचों मिली तो रंग गई मुट्ठी एक बनता ही जावे चले चलो कोई इतना भी रहतावे चले चलो कोई हमसे जीत न पावे चले चलो मिट जावे जो टकरावे चले चलो
DJ
Wow, that was truly an electrifying performance. What a fantastic way to welcome everyone to this grand celebration. A big round of applause. This enthusiasm going on. Once again, welcome to our sports day. Let's make it a day to remember.
Determination. These are the qualities that define true sportsmanship. Now let's witness the march past by our four houses as they showcase their unity and pride. Please put your hands together for our teams as they march forward with strength and honor. Orange Group, Vivekananda Group.
Green Group, Ravindranath Tagore.
Yellow Group, C.V. Raman.
Blue Group, Buddha Group.
with a chief guest to light the ceremonial fire, symbolizing determination, passion, and the spirit of sportsmanship.
ఆవిడ ఫేసు
Eyes like daggers burning bright through the dark and the light. Feel the heat, feel the drive. Through the night, through the thrill. She's coming for the kill.
That was super cute. A big round of applause for the team.
Their parents
ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಾಕಣ
Time at our Sports Day celebrations.
Sports Day is not just about races and competitions, it's also about joy, colors, and vibrant performances that make this event truly special.
Delightful performance by our little stars from grades 1, 2 and 3 with their bright smiles and colorful umbrellas. They are here to spread happiness and excitement.
The umbrella is a symbol of protection and togetherness, just like a school which nurtures and guides our young talents. So let's welcome these little bundles of energy as they dance their hearts out.
Applause for our young performers as they take the stage with their charming little umbrellas dance.
applause for the adorable dancers and the teachers for preparing such a wonderful performance. Stay tuned everyone, because the best is yet to come. Thank you.
Set new benchmarks in academics, sports, and extracurricular activities.
And today, on this grand occasion of our first annual sports, look forward to an even brighter future.
To invite a visionary leader, a dedicated mentor, and the guiding force behind our institution, our respected principal, Mrs. Sandhya Rani Madam, to share with us the achievements and progress of the past year.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our esteemed principal with a huge round of applause.
Respected Chief Guest John Hemant Garu, Honorable Chief Guest, our beloved Chairperson Mrs. Lalita Madam, Vice Principal Mrs. Noorunisa Madam, dear parents, teachers and my beloved students. It is indeed a pleasure to stand before you on this vibrant occasion of our annual Sports Day. Today we celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship, determination and teamwork, which are fundamental qualities that shape an individual's character. Sports and physical education are not just about competition but about discipline, resilience and learning to accept victories and defeats gracefully. They instill confidence, improve focus and enhance overall well-being. Our school has always emphasized the importance of sports, providing students with the best facilities and training opportunities. This year, our students have excelled in various sports events, making us immensely proud. They have displayed outstanding performances in athletics, kabaddi, kho-kho and many other games. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Guest, John Hemant Garu, for gracing this occasion with their presence and inspiring our young athlete. To our parents, thank you for encouraging your children to participate in sports and fitness activities. To my dear students, remember that every game you play is a lesson in perseverance, hard work and teamwork. Keep striving, keep believing, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of sports. Let this day be a celebration of the spirit of sports and a reminder that success is a combination of effort, dedication and passion. It is with immense pride and joy I present before you the annual report of our esteemed institution for the academic year 2024-25. This year has been a remarkable journey of achievements, growth and perseverance. Our school has continued its tradition of excellence in academics, sports and co-curricular activities, making us a center of holistic development. Let's look at academic excellence. Our students have excelled in academics with outstanding results in 10th board examination by scoring more than 60% students securing above 9 CGP. Please give them a big round of applause. Our dedicated faculty has worked tirelessly to ensure quality education through innovative teaching methodologies and a student-centric approach. Several of our students have secured top positions in various Olympiads, science fairs and inter-school competitions, bringing laurels to our institution. We strongly believe in the overall development of students and have conducted numerous activities including debates, quiz, cultural programs and literary events. Our students have actively participated and won accolades in district, state and national level competitions, showcasing their creativity and talent. Participated in Telangana Balotsavam on the occasion of Children's Day, conducted in Sundaraya Vijnana Kendram in various academic and cultural competitions. 25 students won first, second and third prizes. Please give them a big round of applause. Shiro's book launch conducted by again Sundaraya Vijnana Kendram and by Telangana team committee. Our student Devanshi Kotari won the first place in writing 256 characteristics in the book. Please give her a big round of applause. Hyderabad Zindabad Society organized 3 exciting competitions which are essay writing, elocution and drawing. It was truly heartwarming to witness the talent, creativity and confidence of our young participants. A total of 9 children took part, showcasing their skills and dedication. And today we are proud to announce that 5 of them have won first and second prizes again. Please give them a big round of applause. At the prestigious Pragna Vikas Samata state level competition for essay writing and drawing, young minds from across the state participated, showcasing their creativity, intellect and dedication. Among them, our very own Ronit Reddy, a talented 10th class student, has made us incredibly proud by securing district level second prize. Not only did he achieve this remarkable feat, but he also won a cash prize as a token of recognition for his outstanding performance. Please give him a big round of applause. The 35th National Mathematics Talent Search Competition 2024 witnessed participation from some of the brightest minds across the country, competing to showcase their problem solving skills, logical reasoning and mathematical excellence. We are extremely proud to announce that the following talented students have emerged victorious in this prestigious competition. Winners are K. Riyatesh, Darga Vedic, K. Saket Gaud, Aishwarya Bodhi, Lata Madhuri Angala. A huge round of applause for these brilliant minds. Their dedication, perseverance and love for mathematics have brought them this well-deserved recognition. The National Handwriting Competition is a prestigious platform that recognizes excellence in handwriting, precision and presentation. We are proud to announce that 2 of our students, Kotagiri Chandramana Devi from class 2 and Peru Mandla Sai Harsha from class 5 have been selected to compete at the district level. Please give them a big huge round of applause. This is a testament to their dedication, patience and outstanding handwriting skills. Let's give them once again a big round of applause. Sports form an integral part of our curriculum and we take pride in our young athletes who have demonstrated exceptional skills in various sporting events. Our students have represented the school in national championship, winning first, second and third position medals in karate. Our sport coaches have played a pivotal role in training and guiding our students towards success. Please give them a big round of applause. Our teachers have shown relentless dedication and commitment to nurturing young minds. Regular training programs and workshops have been conducted to keep them updated with modern teaching practices and methodologies. I take this opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude to our esteemed management for their constant support and hardworking staff for their dedication and our parents for their unwavering trust in us. Most importantly, I appreciate our students whose enthusiasm and determination have made all our achievements possible. As we step into a next new academic year, let us continue to strive for excellence and work together for a brighter future. Thank you.
For sharing this inspiring journey of our school's success. Your leadership and guidance continue to inspire both students and teachers to reach greater heights.
Indeed, as we celebrate these achievements today, let's also pledge to keep striving for excellence in the years ahead.
Now, let's move forward with the next exciting part of our program. energy, and the joy of movement.
Absolutely. And what better way to showcase energy and enthusiasm than with a high-spirited aerobic dance performance by talented students from grades 4 to 6.
Aerobics is not just a form of exercise, it's a perfect blend of rhythm, movement, and stamina. It keeps us fit, active, and ready to take on any challenge, just like a true sports person.
So dear audience, get ready to witness an energetic and power-packed performance that will leave you inspired. Let's cheer for our young performers as they take the stage with their aerobic dance.
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले
Wow, that was a fantastic display of strength, flexibility, and coordination.
Absolutely. That energy was contagious. and I'm sure they all have inspired all of us and to stay fit and achieve.
A big round of applause for our wonderful students and their mentors for bringing us such a refreshing and dynamic performance. We celebrate Sports Day. We are reminded that true fitness is not just about speed and strength. It's also about balance, flexibility, and inner peace. Yoga is not just an exercise, it is a way of life. It teaches us discipline, focus, and self-awareness, which are essential qualities for every athlete and individual.
So now, dear audience, let's take a deep breath and prepare to witness a mesmerizing yoga presentation by our talented students of grade 7, 8 and 9. Through their graceful postures and synchronized movements, they will showcase the true essence of health and wellness.
Let's give them a huge round of applause as they take the stage to inspire us with their strength, flexibility, and mindfulness.
उस आकाश की गहराइयों में एक नदी से बह रहे हैं आदियोगी। शून्य सन्नाटे टपकते जा रहे हैं, मौन से सब कह रहे हैं आदियोगी। योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम, प्राण गुंजन गणन गणनम। उतरे मुझ में आदियोगी, योग धारा चलत छन छन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम, प्राण गुंजन गणन गणनम। उतरे मुझ में आदियोगी, उतरे मुझ में आदियोगी। ईश दो अस्तित्व मेरा और कर दो चूरा चूरा। पूर्ण होने दो मुझे और होने दो अब पूरा पूरा। रस्म वाली रस्म कर दो आदियोगी। योग उत्सव रंग भर दो आदियोगी। बज उठे ये मन सितारी, झनन झनन अस्तित्व मेरा और कर दो चूरा चूरा, पूर्ण होने दो मुझे और होने दो अब पूरा पूरा। रस्म वाली रस्म कर दो आदि योगी, योग उत्सव रंग भर दो बज उठे ये मन सितारी, झनन 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 तू मेरा और कर दो चूरा चूरा, पूर्ण होने दो मुझे और होने दो अब पूरा पूरा। रस्म वाली रस्म कर दो आदि योगी, योग उत्सव रंग भर दो आदि योगी। बज उठे ये मन सितारी, झनन 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 झनन। श्वास श्वास
Indeed, yoga teaches us that true strength comes from within, and our students have beautifully demonstrated that today.
Let's give another big round of applause to our young yogis and their mentors for presenting such a serene and powerful performance.
With this perfect balance of mind and body, let's move forward to more exciting events and celebrate the spirit of sportsmanship together. Stay tuned, everyone, and once again, let's pledge to keep fitness, mindfulness, and well-being a part of our daily lives.
We honor not only physical fitness but also discipline, courage, and self-defense.
That's right. And when we talk about strength and discipline, one art form stands out, karate. Karate is not just about punches and kicks. It's about focus, self-control, and the power of the mind.
Originating from Japan, karate is a martial art that teaches us self-defense, confidence, and perseverance, qualities that every sports person and individual should possess.
And now, dear audience, get ready to witness a thrilling karate demonstration by our strong and talented students from grades 7, 8, and 9. Watch as they showcase their skills, precision, and indomitable spirit.
So let's put our hands together and cheer for our young martial artists as they take the stage.
Joy. Us. Okay. Admin. Move back. Move back. Alright. Joy. Us. Us.
On the closer this call. Try to
punch. Jordan punch. Face number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jordan punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Joy. What's up? What's up, Rich? John. Us. Hold on.
Wow, that was a truly powerful. The energy, the discipline, and the confidence, everything was just outstanding.
Absolutely. This performance has shown us that true strength is not just about physical power, but also about mental resilience and control.
A big round of applause for our incredible karate performers and their mentors for this action-packed presentation.
With this spirit of determination and confidence, let's move forward to more exciting events and make this sports day even more thrilling.
Stay tuned, everyone, because there's much more to come. Thank you. Hiya, let's keep the spirit high.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. It's time for the final round of the running race where the fastest of the fast will compete for glory.
Absolutely, this is the ultimate test of speed, endurance, and determination. Our high school athletes have trained hard for this moment, and now they are ready to give it their all.
The track is set, the athletes are in position, and the excitement is at its peak. So dear audience, let's make some noise and cheer for our finalists.
Welcome to you, sir. And all members of our Matrushri family, starting from our principal ma'am, Mrs. Sandhya, our vice principal, Mrs. Noorunisa, all members of the teaching faculty, all the administrative staff, the support staff, and our beloved little children and their parents who are present here today. A warm welcome to you all. Good morning to you all. Very happy to see you all today here. Today, as I stand here to speak to you as a chairperson of Matrushri E&L, I must say I am positively elated and overwhelmed with emotions. My heart is truly filled with emotions of joy, of pride, and of gratitude. Because nothing gives me more joy, more thrill in life than watching those wonderful and colorful performances displayed by our school students. There's no greater joy than that. Because through those performances, I am able to see beyond those colorful display of cultural and athletic performances, I am able to see those qualities of, the willpower, the determination, as someone was mentioning, the perseverance, the willing to put in hard work, the passion and the enthusiasm, and above all, that attitude that attitude to take up any challenge that comes your way. Just face it head on, work towards it and come out successful in that. That attitude, those qualities were truly visible just beyond the outward display of those colorful performances. I am truly thrilled, and thank you so much, lovely children, for giving me those emotions. Nothing can beat those emotions. A heartfelt congratulations to you all. And I know this event, these wonderful performances wouldn't have been possible if not for the fantastic, beautiful, well-coordinated team of our excellent faculty team. They have put in their dedicated hours, their dedicated efforts, their commitment. They gave in their beyond school hours. They worked hard. They worked overtime. They sacrificed their family time just so that this excellent performances, this sports event can be put there. And heartfelt congratulations to you also, everyone present here. And this event today that we are celebrating, this sports day, is a fantastic example of a true teamwork. What if all departments of an institution or organization, like how all organs of a body, if they come together, if they function well in a synchronous manner, what fantastic things, what wonderful things can be done and achieved. So this sports day is truly an excellent example of all of us present here, our teamwork, be it parents who have, I know what, as a parent, what parents go through to send their children to school, to make them participate in these events. So, a true congratulations to all the departments of Matrushri, all Matrushri members, be it parents, be it our school students or our fantastic faculty members. Congratulations to you all, first of all, for such a grand event. I am truly overwhelmed. Now, this sports day that we are celebrating is actually the grand finale, the culminating event, and this is not just this one day. It is a year-long effort starting from the month of June. The sports events and tournaments, competitions were conducted round the year within the school and outside the school. There were a lot of indoor games and matches. Likewise, there are excellent outdoor matches, be it kabaddi or be it kho-kho or just what we have watched, a fantastic athletic race or cricket or all those excellent matches that were conducted with competitions, tournaments that were conducted throughout the year within the school and outside the school. And this today event displays the grand finale of that year-round dedicated efforts of our school. So kudos to you all for, first of all, such a great event. And sports day is not just about either the fun or the entertainment or the thrill or joy of winning or losing. It's not just that. There are qualities which are way below. Nothing can teach as better as sport to any person. To any person, nothing can teach better. Sports is an excellent teacher. It teaches what a true hard work can achieve, what perseverance, what patience can achieve, what passion can achieve, the willpower and the drive if you have in your heart, what it can achieve. A sport teaches us. And above all, the quality of never say die. Face the failure head on. Yes, it will come to you. Every day may not be successful. Failure can come to you, but don't get disheartened. Don't get disheartened with a failure or a criticism or an embarrassment. Because if you just buckle up and stand up today, face the failure head on, tomorrow's success will be yours. That's what a sport teaches us. If you have observed, today we may lose a match, but tomorrow if you focus again, if you just stand up again and participate, success will come. So, sports is an excellent teacher. Nothing teaches better than sports. So, not only to the winners, yes, congratulations to the winners of all the tournaments, but yes, to all the participants, everybody who dared to participate, because participation is the first step in your journey towards success. Those who do not participate or scared of failure or criticism can never win. So face challenges head on. Face challenges head on, participate, whatever opportunities come your way, because opportunities may not come every time that we wish. So participate, take those challenges and head on, face them, face failure, and success will be ours. And that's what sports and sportsmanship teaches. So this event is, in a way, it's a celebration of what a true meaning of education itself. This sports day today is not just about a sports day, it's a celebration of true meaning of education itself, because nothing educates better than a sports. So this event today is a part of our Matrushri tradition, because year after year we always culminate the academic year in a spectacular manner with a grand cultural day or a grand sports day, annual cultural day or an annual sports day. These events are a testimony to what our core values are, what Matrushri's core values are, what our core beliefs are, what our guiding principles are, what as a school Matrushri has always stood for. Because we believe at Matrushri, academic curriculum, the classroom teaching, while we provide all the rigor of the classroom academic curriculum, it is equally surplused with co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Because I believe any school that concentrates only on academic curriculum is doing a great disservice to a child. So at Matrushri, there is a perfect balance with a rigorous, well-planned, well-organized academic classroom curriculum, always surplused with well-planned co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Because we believe whenever a child of a school leaves 10th standard, while what we celebrate, well, the 10th class marks, the memo, the excellent 10th class result is an example of the fantastic academic curriculum. Because any child who is passing his or her 10th grade with an excellent, like ma'am was explaining to us, a fantastic 10th results, more than 50% securing, above 9 CGP, fantastic 10 CGPs in mathematics, more than 50% of them securing in mathematics, sciences. All these fantastic 10th class results wouldn't have happened on a standalone basis. The seeds of such a fantastic academic curriculum have to be sown in pre-primary itself. And the pillars for such a great result has to be built in the primary section itself. Only then, once the seeds are sown and the pillars are laid in the pre-primary and the primary sections, can a child or a student of our school excel in 10th class. And this is what we always strive to achieve, with a fantastic academic result. A child has to go out and face those exams with excellent classroom knowledge and skills. But we don't stop at that, because we believe a child with only an academic curriculum and no other extra life skill activities wouldn't be a complete person. He or she wouldn't be able to face this, the outside harsh competitive world of today. If someone has to be able to face those with qualities of confidence and courage, then it is possible only if we supply the extra co-curricular and extracurricular activities. Our alumnac that we are going to just release soon will, if you one browses through, it displays all those activities that our school conducts and executes right from day one of our academic school. Right from the first day in the month of June, we have various activities round the year. If one goes to the alumnac, it gives you an insight into that. Be it, apart from we celebrate all the festivals, all the national days and events, and that's not all. Be it events like Haritaharam or the International Yoga Day or the World Literacy Day or the Language Day, or there are World Food Day, or there's so many such activities that are conducted throughout the year, each one imparting knowledge about some particular aspect of human development. They're all aimed to give the practical knowledge the child needs about the world. So these activities are conducted throughout the year, along with various other competitions. Our principal ma'am was just reading out how our children have excelled and won accolades in various other district and state level competitions, be it writing or speaking or debating competitions. the Science and Maths Fair. Our director of our department of Telangana Educational Department, who has visited us on the Maths and Science Fair, has congratulated and was mightily impressed with our children's performances. We have our own scholarship programs that are aimed to identify, spot, nurture and encourage talent, true talent. So these various activities have been programmed and designed with a purpose. Because a true school's education is one that makes a child complete, that makes a child to realize the inherent potential, the immense potential he or she has. Once a child realizes what potential they have within himself or herself, sky is the limit. Believe me, sky is the limit. Once a child believes that he or she can dream, aim and achieve, nothing can stop them. I ended with a Sanskrit saying which depicts or which displays the true meaning of what we have all joined here today for. Aprapyam nama nehasti dhirasya vyavasayinaha. Aprapyam nama nehasti dhirasya vyavasayinaha. What does this say? So, to a person, nothing is, to a person with courage and with a will to put in hard work, nothing is unattainable or unachievable. Okay? So to any person, to any child who believes he or she can achieve, has to have the courage in the heart and the will to put in hard work. Just those two qualities can make us go places and teach us that only sky is the limit. So face any challenge that comes your way with courage. Believe that you can do. If others can do, yes, I can also do. Don't think that somebody else is able to achieve, probably I cannot. Nothing is different from you and the other person, between you and the other person. So, aprapyam nama nehasti dhirasya vyavasayinaha. So, any person with courage and will to put in hard work, nothing is unattainable or impossible. Just go ahead, face the challenges with those two qualities, and believe me, you are going to excel. You are going to be the true fantastic individual of our society. The world will applaud, the world will follow you. Okay? Congratulations to you all once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Your vision and guidance motivate us to strive for excellence in all that we do.
Indeed, we are truly grateful for all the things which has ma'am said. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the moment of thrill, strength and strategy is here. It's time for the much-awaited Kabaddi Finals, where not only the strongest, fastest and the smartest will emerge as champions.
That's right. Kabaddi is not just a game. It's a test of teamwork, agility and sheer determination. The finalists have battled their way through tough rounds and now they stand ready for one last intense showdown. We request Chief Guest Sir to please
Aggression, toss. Same toss.
Hey!
Hell.
2 points plus 1 point extra, 3 points. All out.
ఫోటో కోసం
Chat loudly. One point. Go. Chat loudly.
పోయిరా
Back side इच्छा out है. 2 points. One point. That loudly. Point to this side.
నాకు మన వీడియో పడుతుంది చూడు
Hey, move back. Both move back. On this side. Only one.
కాకని జరుగు కాకని జరుగు ఫ్రేమ్ పెట్టి పాగలితే మంచిది
5 seconds. On this side. On this side.
పోయిరా పో అసలు మాట్లాడకు ఎడిటింగ్లో అసలు ఏమి కట్ చేయను నేను వాయిస్ అలాగే ఉంటుంది
On this side. Find the side. One point. Take team 1 point. Only 1 member. Take 1 point. KK team 1 point. RC team 1 point. KK team 1 point. RC team 1 point. Last 1.5 minute game. Rider out, cat break. KK team 1 point. K- Stop. Congratulations. 8 boys. Stand in line. 8.
As we announce the final results.
Stay tuned. Keep cheering and let's celebrate the spirit of sports together. Thank you.
Book. It is a roadmap that guides us through the academic year, helping students, teachers, and parents stay aligned with our vision, values, and goals.
Request both in charges also to be present there.
The school almanac.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Moment. This almanac will serve as a guiding light for the entire school community in the coming year.
Invited moment prize distribution. We request our dignitaries to honor our champions. Let us start with running race prize. Ashwini, first prize. Rohika, 10 prize. Mahal Prithvi, LKG. Throw ball in the basket.
ఓకే సార్ ఒకసారి చూడండి.
Running race. Boys.
రైట్ ఒకసారి
Children,
చూడండి.
please encourage the winners. Running race.
ఒకసారి చూడండి అందరూ. లుక్ హియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సెకండ్ ప్లీజ్. రైట్ చూడండి.
Running race. Class 1 first prize Likit Yadav. Class 1 Kritika first prize. Marini second prize. Charita. Frog jump second class. Jay Rohan first prize. Running race second class R. M. Ashwit, third class, first prize.
Good.
Balakrishna, second prize. Hurdle on the cone. Sanya Singh, third class, first prize. Hanshita, third class, second prize. Anvi, third class. Class 4.
Medal on top.
K. Ritesh.
Right, ma'am.
Sack game. Satvik, fifth class, second prize.
Look here. One more, please. Madam.
Lemon and spoon. Class 4, P. Vaishnavi Priya, first prize. G. Aradhya, second prize. P. Aradhya, third. Pad and cup game. Class 6, second prize. Sophia, Shreya.
Eighth class Kabaddi boys winners Bhavesh.
One more. Very good. One more.
Coco boys winners Sai Saket, Sujit, Lohit, Fawad Pasha, K. Anand, Durga Prasad.
Wait, walk around.
Be ready with the team. Eighth class cricket boys winners G. Likit, M. Yadunandan Reddy, B. Lohit, K. Anand, Ansh from class 7th and 8th.
Okay, 1 second. Right, good. Very good.
Cricket boys runner up. Kabaddi girls winners team be ready with Akshara Joshi, G. Udayashri, P. Latika.
ఓకే మ్యామ్, కొంచెం ఫేస్ కనిపించాలని చూడండి. వెరీ గుడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. 1 second. Smile, please. గుడ్. రైట్, ఇటు చూడండి. చేపట్టుకో. ఇటు చూడాలి. Good. పట్టుకోండి అందరూ పట్టుకోండి.
Kabaddi boys 9th and 10th winners are Syed Fawad Pasha, Shrika, G Harshavardhan, P Ramcharan, Vinay, K Vidyashankar, Afan Khan. Friends and children, Vinay, Sanjeev Abhiram, Keshav, Parthiv Reddy from a 9th and 10th class. Dronesh. Coco Boys winners Farhan, M. Anurag, U. Jagadish from 10th class.
Right, sir. చిన్న నీళ్ళు చేయండి. కనపడాలి అందరి ఫేస్ కెమెరా కనపడాలి. చూడండి ఒకసారి. గుడ్.
Coco team runner-ups K.
ఓకే ఇట్రా. వెరీ గుడ్. అలాగే ఉండండి. చాలా బాగుంది. వన్ మోర్. ఇటు చూడాలి. స్మైల్.
In running, the first place goes to
గుడ్.
and the third place goes to Nikhil Singh from class 10.
రైట్ సార్. రెడీ. ఇటు నవ్వు.
Cricket boys winner team K. Vidya.
సార్ కొంచెం అడ్డు జరుగు. ఇలా జరుగు. వెరీ గుడ్. కొంచెం దగ్గర నువ్వు. వెరీ గుడ్. అలాగే ఉండండి. స్మైల్.
Cricket boys runner-up team G. Vinay.
రెడీ.
Running in girls first. Kabaddi girls winners Mugdha, Himavarshini, K. Kabaddi girls runner-up team. Coco girls, the first place winners team are E. Nigama, K. Aishwarya, M. Sanjana. Coco girls. The first place goes to Ritesh and Vedic from class 4th and 5th.
ఇటు
From class 7th, Lata Madhuri from class 8th.
ఇటు
National handwriting competition goes to Mugdha Subaidar from class 10th. This goes to K. Harshavardhan from class 10th. 10th.
సాయి ఇటు చూడండి వన్ మోర్
Charita Shri, 3rd place from class 9th.
ఇటు
Thank you, sir and madam.
హాయ్ మేడం మీరు కూడా చూడండి ఒకసారి
We have with us today a distinguished personality, a visionary in the field of sports, psychology and guiding force behind many athletes' success. Ladies and gentlemen, we are privileged to welcome our esteemed chief guest, John Hemant Kumar Garu, a renowned sports psychologist and the director of the Sports Mental Fitness Center, the Neurons Winning Mind. We request our principal ma'am to please felicitate our chief guest. With a deep understanding of mental has been a pillar of support for numerous sport enthusiasts, helping them sharpen their focus and enhance their performance. His expertise extends to training army shooters for competitive shooting, including the Olympics, and he has mentored across various sports disciplines such as karate, tennis, badminton, skating and golf. Chief guest to share a message to inspire us all. Our chairperson, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I know it's a hot morning. I can experience the heat sitting on the stage. And parents have very tactfully shifted into the shade. Good. I won't take much time, just 2-3 minutes. Very important is the mind. Being a psychologist, I focus more on the mind. Without the mind, the body cannot function. Whether it is sports, whether it is academics, whether whatever you want to perform in life to be successful, you have to train your mind. An untrained mind is like a wild animal which will not do what you want it to do. Similarly, in sports, we have experienced that mental fitness is a very important part for people to be successful in their sports area. Similarly, in academics also, we expect the mind to be very sharpened. So we do a lot of mental fitness programs, and I'm glad to be here today and watching the children focusing their capabilities, mental fitness, mental faculties onto their games. I hope the same thing is happening with their academics as per the principal's report. I could understand it is being performing well. I wish well for all the children for their performances both in sports and academics. I can see the hard work of the staff and the management in getting this success happening around the school. And congratulations to all the winners who have received these prizes and certificates. We hope to see again very soon with more information for children in the days to come. All the best and thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.
We are truly you here, sir. Thank you. With a huge round of applause, please, and enthusiastic participants, get ready to witness a breathtaking display of coordination, agility, and teamwork as our talented performers present the bamboo sticks formation. This act is not just about movement, it's a fusion of strength, balance and synchronization, reflecting the spirit of sportsmanship and unity. Bamboo sticks have been integral part of our traditional exercise sports, symbolizing resilience and flexibility.
What an incredible performance. Let's give a huge round of applause to our talented performers for their dedication and effort. They truly have embodied the essence of sports, showing us that discipline and teamwork
and the right opportunities. And today we are here to recognize and reward the bright minds who have showcased exceptional performance and determination. Matrushri Scholarship is a symbol of encouragement and support amid at nurturing young talents and helping them soar to greater heights. It is a proud moment for all of us as we honor our Matrushri Scholarship winners, students who have excelled in academics, sports and other disciplines with unwavering commitment. Today, now Matrushri Scholarship winners, to do the honors of distributing the scholarships, we would like to invite on stage esteemed dignitaries Lalita Madam, Sandhya Madam and Noor Madam.
Spirit of sportsmanship, teamwork and determination, let's also take a moment to celebrate something even greater, our love for our motherland.
Indeed, no matter how high we aim, how fast we run, and how strong we become, the greatest strength we possess is the love and respect for our country. And what better way to express this than through a dance performance?
Dance has the power to touch hearts, ignite emotions and unite us all. So let's gear up for a melodious treat as our talented students from nursery to grade 10 come together to present a patriotic dance, filling the air with pride and enthusiasm.
We hold as the future of this great nation.
So sit back, enjoy and let your hearts swell with patriotism as we present this special performance. Here come our young stars.
दुनिया